Good morning students. Today the ninth lecture of chapter 7 for the class 11th CBSE and RPSC. Today we will discuss some important formulas regarding salt hydrolysis. The first topic is salt hydrolysis. Salt hydrolysis. Okay. For example, any salt, like we have a salt, we can say, for example, we have a salt A negative. It on hydrolysis form HA plus OH ion. Okay. Starting when time is 0, it is 1 mole, it is 0. If H part is hydrolyzed, that at time t it will remain 1 minus H, it will be H and it will be H. And if the concentration of the solution is C, in that case KH, what is KH? KH is the hydrolysis constant. Hydrolysis constant of salt. Okay, and H is the degree of hydrolysis. Degree of hydrolysis. Okay, so the KH will be HA upon OH negative upon A negative. Okay, so HA is HC dot HC upon 1 minus H का whole C. C से C cancel, then H square C upon 1 minus H. So it is equals to KH. Okay. If H is very small in comparison to 1, then 1 minus H is nearly equal to 1. In that case, KH becomes H square C. Hence, H will be KH upon C or KH into V. So there is one formula and it is another formula. So what is hydrolysis? Salt hydrolysis. So it is hydrolysis constant of salt and it is degree of hydrolysis. Okay. So we will calculate in this manner. Now we have 4 type of salts. One is we can say first weak acid strong base salt. Clear? Weak acid strong base. Weak acid means like this. It is an example of salt. Salt कैसा? Weak acid and strong base. Weak acid and strong base salt. Okay. So here, if we have to calculate these salts, then what will be pH? What will be pH? Weak acid, strong base salt. In that case, pH will be 7 plus half pKa plus half log C. Okay, you have to remember this. Clear? If salt is weak base, strong acid salt. Like weak base, for example, you can say NH4Cl. Okay? Then pH will be 7 minus half pKb minus half log C. And if salt is weak acid, weak base salt, like ammonium acetate, NH4CN, or NH4 the whole twice CO3 Okay, in that case pH will be 7 plus half pKa minus half pKb. So these are the formulas. We know what is pKa, pKb. pKb is minus log Kb. pKa is minus log Ka. Okay? Clear? KH will be Kw by Ka. If acid is weak, then KH will be Kw by A. If base is weak, then Kw by will be Kb. If acid and base both are weak, then KH will be equals to Kw upon Ka into Kb. So by using these formulas, we can calculate various types of questions in which we can calculate hydrolysis constant. Kw is HN and OHN, or we can say Kw is K into Kb. Okay, so pKw is equals to pK plus pKb. Okay, so by using these formulas we can calculate various types of questions in which Ka can be asked, pKb can be asked, KH can be asked, and a salt is given, particular salt like weak acid, strong base, weak base, strong acid, weak base. So we have to calculate pH of these salts by using these formulas. Okay, so you should note down all these formulas. Now we will read about buffer solution. What is buffer? Okay, if we add some acid or some base in a solution, then what will happen? Now come to the buffer solution. Okay, buffer solution. What is buffer? We can say the solution which resist change in pH, which resist change in pH if we add acid or base in the solution. Okay, if we have a solution and we add acid or base, or addition of acid or base, pH will be changed. The solution which resists, which opposes the change, means the solution, buffer solutions are those solutions whose pH remains same, or constant. It doesn't vary, it will not change. Okay, so it is buffer solution. Okay, buffer solutions are of two types. One is acidic and one is basic. Clear? Acidic, like weak acid and strong base of this salt, strong and salt of strong base with this acid. So it is acidic. Okay, and in base we can say it is weak base and strong acid, salt of strong acid. Okay, so weak acid we can say weak acid and salt of strong base, salt of strong base of this acid, okay. Weak acid and we have a salt will form by base. Which base? Acid will remain same but the base is strong, okay. Similar here. Now what will be the pH? pH will be pKa plus log salt upon acid. Okay, it is the formula of taking acidic buffer. If we have acidic buffer solution and we have to calculate pH, in that case we will use this formula, and if the concentration of salt is equals to the concentration of acid, then it will be equal to log 1 salt. If salt and acid are 1, then log 1 will be 0, okay. Then pH becomes, then pH log 1 is 0, then pH is equals to pKa, okay. And what will be the pH of this formula? It will be equals to 14 minus pKb plus log salt upon base. So this formula will be used to find out the pH from basic buffer. Okay, so this will be formula like this. Okay, so we will use this formula. Now come to the last topic of this solution in this chapter, that is, we can say solubility product. What is solubility product? Okay. First of all, we have to understand that the solubility product is calculated of sparingly soluble salts. Sparingly soluble salts means salts which are not insoluble, not soluble. Means partially soluble, we can say. Sparingly means partially soluble, like silver salts. Okay. So how we will calculate this KSP? For example, in fact, a solubility product is represented by KSP. Solubility product. Okay, solubility product. Clear? For example, if we have to calculate the KSP of a sparingly soluble salt like A2X3, first of all you use simple salt. You will take a simple salt like AB. You have a salt AB. Okay. It is a sparingly soluble salt and it ionizes in A ion and B ion. Okay, clear? At starting, it is 0, 0. It is 1 minus and it is as and it is as. The solubility of these ions is this. So what will be the KSP? KSP will be equal to A ion, A cation, product B anion, and A ion solubility is as and B ion solubility 2s, so KSP will equals to S square. Okay. If a salt is like AB2, then we will get AIN plus 2BIN. Okay. Its solubility is S, its solubility is 2S, so KSP will be A square upon 2B negative, then S, then 2S. Okay. So solubility will be 4S cube. Clear? So solubility will be 4S cube. Okay? Solubility will be, KSP will be 4S cube. And if we have a salt, like A2, if we have a salt like A2X3, then we will get 2A, it will dissociate, it will give 2A and 3X. 2A will have a +3 charge and X have a -2 charge. Okay, it will be like that. If solubility is like 2S and it is 3S, then what will be KSP? KSP will be AS cube and X minus 2 cube. What is the solubility of A? It is 2S and it is 3S cube. Then solve this. 4S square dot 27S cube, that is 108S5, that is equals to KSP. Okay. So in this way we have to calculate solubility product. Clear? Suppose you have to calculate suppose a salt A2X, suppose you have a salt A2X3, okay, and you have to calculate solubility. Means question is find out solubility in A2X3 salt. It's a question. Salt. If KSP is what? KSP is given like 1.1 into 10 raised to power -23. Okay. So how you will solve question? KSP is equals to X108S5. So 1.1 into 10 raised to power -23 divided by 108 is equal to S, and we will be taken 1/5. Okay. Are you getting what I am saying? Okay. So solving this, if we solve this question, so KSP is given. Okay. So we will divide 1.1 by this 108. We can and solve this question. So the solubility will be, we can say 1 into 10 raised to power 1 into 10 raised to power minus 5 okay, mole per liter. So if Ksp is given, you can find out S, and if S is given, you can find out Ksp. So you try to solve these questions. Thank you.